Packages. The work we actually develop in the UiPath Studio will be available to us as a NuGet package, which you can think of as some work that we have to actually provide to the robots that we have with us. So packages published from the studio will be sent to the Orchestrator and will be available in the Packages tab. Let's see that in the UiPath Orchestrator. Coming back to the Orchestrator, on the left hand side under Management, you can see a tab called Packages. Just click on that and you will find few of the older packages processes that I have already implemented and have pushed it to this particular Orchestrator. Okay, so these are those particular packages. If I just want to upload a new package right here, for that what I have to do is I have to be creating a new process. Let's click on UiPath Studio. Once it is loaded, let me create a process, a simple process, my bot. Okay, and create it. Once that's it ready, click on main and try to drag a message box right here and say hello friend and save it. Now just try to run it once. Okay, it's working. So what we will do is here in the design tab we have got an option called publish. Just click on that because it is right now the robot that we have, UiPath robot right here, and here as you can see it's already connected, so it is showing me publish to Orchestrator and the version of it is this. If I click on publish, it has been successfully published. The name of this is MyBot and the version is 1.0.1. Click on OK and go back to the Orchestrator here and you will be able, just try to refresh it and type my bot and here it is, published a few seconds ago. Go back to this and you can see this particular version is inactive and the version of it is this. So as many times you publish it from the studio, that many number of versions will be created right here. You can download this package also. So this is how we do it. So this is how when we publish something right here, it will be sent to the Orchestrator. But you might think that this is when we have the Orchestrator with us. But what if we don't have an Orchestrator? We haven't buy the license of Orchestrator in the real time. To handle that case, what we can do is just move back to this and try to disconnect the Orchestrator, assuming that we don't have Orchestrator available to us. In this case, if I just go back to this particular studio and I use publish, you can see instead of Orchestrator, it's called robot defaults. Okay, and the current version, the new version will be 1.0.3. If I just click on publish, this time there is a different message pop up. Project published successfully and the name is my underscore bot. The version is 1.0.3 and the location is C program data, UiPath and packages. So this is the folder that we have to go into and look after. So here is my NuGet package being generated. So because I'm not using Orchestrator, this particular package has been saved into my local. Okay. And as you know, if you just go back to your particular thing right here, so because you have the package and you want it to execute through some other orchestrator which is not connected to your robot, you can go right here, click on update and go back to browse and navigate to that particular folder which is UiPath packages and click on this and upload it. So this is how you manually can upload some packages instead of pushing it through UiPath Studio. So now as we can see, we have set up the machines, we have the robots, and we have set up the environment which is equivalent to team, and we have the package right now to work on. This is the work that we want to allocate to robot.